So, good morning, class. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is
Yes.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
guys. Firstly, one thing that you have to off your mic because you know that at the Zoom this is really very difficult because always it's some sort of the distortion and the noise. So, firstly, welcome. I'm sorry. So, firstly, welcome to the new course. And again, this is unfortunate that we have to conduct all these classes online, but I hope so that if the situation get better, then occasionally we can meet even in the campus and performing some sort of practicals. Or if you people feel any kind of confusion or some sort of queries, then you can come to office as well as, of course, by taking care of the SOPs. Um, Lastly, one thing which is also too much important that during the classes, the ethics and the norms, those must be well maintained. Like you people are not permitted to have gossiping with each other. Like at the end of the lecture, we will have 5 to 10 minutes for the question answer session, and you can also contribute. You can give some sort of suggestions as well as if you feel any kind of difficulty during the lectures. So and of course during the lecture at least I should have this idea that you people are awake and not sleeping, isn't so? Got it?
Yes,
I,
ma'am.
Yes.
I need a response of yes, ma'am. We are here like this. Otherwise, I will start when I will start talking. Then I will talking, and then I will feel that maybe you people are busy somewhere else and just having in the Zoom. So you have to make sure that you are present and you're in class as well as. So coming towards this new course that is about the winter vegetables, and I'm sure that you all have the timetable as well. And regarding this course, this is of the 3 credit hours, and 3 credit hours means that we will have inshallah 2 theoretical classes and 1 practical class. And if you can see this the PowerPoint presentation is visible. I have shared the screen. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Yes,
visible.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you can see in the first slide that the theoretical course contents as well as the practical contents, those have been written over here. And similarly, if we see that you have to, at the end of this course, you will be, inshallah, will be well equipped and having this particular skill that how to grow the winter vegetables in any particular area, wherever you are residing, or if you are you have to find out some sort of job, so then you will be able to cultivate or to produce these vegetables. Similarly, I have separated this course into the different lectures as well as during the whole semester you will almost have 32 different lectures. Like again you can see over here it's about the introduction of vegetable production, then importance issues in the vegetable cultivation, propagation method, climate factors. And similarly you can go through the slide that we will touch almost every aspect of the factors as well as the climatic conditions, the soil, or different types of the techniques like farming that is also has emerging as a key technique to produce the good yield and vegetables. Similarly, the new trends in the vegetable production we will discuss during the whole semester. And among the new trends, you see that even though the greenhouses are the protected cultivation is not considered as the new trend because it's in practice for the last many years, but still when we talk about Pakistan, still the farmers they need to adopt this technology as well as the techniques at the larger scale to have the self-sufficient production as well as on the commercial basis. Similarly, we will also go through, inshallah, through the irrigation systems, then the fertilizer requirement, our pruning, staking, biological means to control insect pest, and of course, harvesting and then packing in the market. In short, this course has been separated into all the steps, all the factors which are most important to have the maximum production of these vegetables. And then how a researcher, how a farmer or an industrialist, he or she can fetch maximum, you can say the maximum profit in the market by having these vegetable production. And of course, if we see that this is as well as art but also the science, so the farmer or the researcher has to be very specific in having all the technical and the scientific information and the factors which are directly or indirectly having the effect and the impact on the vegetable production. Similarly, during the practical, of course, this is again, I'm repeating the same thing again and again, online course, but maybe we will be able to have a chance to conduct some practicals in university field area. So you have to practice of raising the different vegetables, including the mushrooms. And currently, I have just started working on mushroom again in the same premises of university. And you will learn how to prepare the land. This is also very important for the successful vegetable production. Similarly, the sowing and the identification of seed, then the planting method, then of course all the different irrigation schedules or the irrigation scheme, fertilizers, and the care and the maintenance of these vegetables, that will be done during the whole course. And then you will also visit some sort of the farm, as well as like we have good example of the ZTBL and also some progressive farmers in Sohan village nearby. And we in the past we were used to take students to these farms, and where they can see practically that how the farmers they are growing their vegetables, either the local vegetables or the exotic vegetables. Then during the course you have to present or you have to make a record of your practical work, whatever you will do either at your own home. Like this thing comes into the mind that how we can carry practicals at our home. So like this is very simple. You can grow vegetables even in any container, at the roof, at or in the balcony, or so the thing is this, that you must know that how you can produce food for yourself. And if you have to produce at the larger scale or to feed a larger population, then how you can go for all these things. You will also make the practical videos, as well as I will share different links, and I will also make some videos practically in the field, and then inshallah I will share with all of you. So guys, this was the schedule of these winter vegetables. And similarly, you can find different books, as well as after the lecture I will share the different books with to you people, and you can go through thoroughly if you wish. And I also wish that you must go through the different other research papers as well as and the books, to have the vast and the good knowledge as well as about the production of these vegetables. Are you there listening? Hello, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So coming
Yes,
towards
ma'am.
today the lecture is very you can say the simple, and it's just to little revise whatever already you have something about the vegetables. Okay. So maybe today lecture that you will see that, oh, we already have gone through this lecture, and but this is some sort of the repetition, and just to make your mind that now you have to study this course as well as. And inshallah, as the semester goes, then we will go through to all these things. So like because very clear from the name of this course, winter vegetables are the vegetables. And the thing comes into the mind that why the vegetables, those are important, what kind of benefits the farmer, a human being can get the different benefits from these vegetables. And then for a grower, the thing come into the mind that why he or she should go for the cultivation or the production of these vegetables. So like just you can see that the thing which comes into the mind about the vegetable, that any herbaceous plant of to whom different we can say the plant parts, those can be used or those are used for the edible purpose, for the consumption. And those parts, those may be roots, those may be stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, or the seed. Like we have example among the root vegetables like your carrot, turnip. In the stems you can have the asparagus. Among the leaves, like you have iceberg lettuce. Among the flowers, like you have different that is commonly known as the kachnar. It's not even the vegetable, but the flowers are consumed as well. As similarly, among the fruit, like you have the tomato, those are known as the fruit vegetables. Among the seeds, different types of the condiments, you can eat those. Anyhow, these vegetables, those can be eaten fresh, or they can be consumed in many different other ways. Either you can cook, you can freeze them, you can give them the value addition, and these can give you the maximum profit or the benefit. So coming into the benefits of the vegetables, yes, Hassan, you want to say something? Hello, hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I thought the name was at my screen as well, as I thought it you want to ask something. Anyhow, so coming towards the benefits of the vegetables, I think the other class is sleeping. Just one person is just replying the teacher.
No.
Okay, so towards the benefits of the vegetables, and all these things are very important for a grower to have the economical. We can say the importance of these vegetables. So when we talk about the benefits of these vegetables, then they are helpful in strengthening the
No,
bone health. Then these vegetables are
ma'am.
rich in antioxidants, and the
You
antioxidants,
are.
those are very important to increase the immunity or to improve the resistance among the human body. Similarly, they are beneficial, they are considered as beneficial for the skin and the hair. And similarly, these vegetables, those can be taken as a medicine to prevent different types of the diseases. Like we see that with the change of the climate, with the change of the living standards, and the food, the hypertension, or such type of the multi morbidity, like different diseases, those are common. So these can be overcome, or these can be rectified by the use of these fresh vegetables or in any form of these vegetables. Similarly, they can helpful in the weight loss and the rest of the other. Then another thing comes into the mind, that what are the different reasons to eat vegetables. Just you can see in this slide that the different examples have been quoted over here. Like if you consume, if you take eggplant peel, then it can helpful in fighting against the cancer. Similarly, like the carrots, they can be helpful in maintaining the connective tissue, teeth, and the gums. And the like cauliflower, I will not go word by word. Similarly, the cauliflower is an excellent source of the vitamin C. Similarly, you can see some English vegetables, even though these vegetables are not common, but you can find particularly in Sohan village, that's very nearby to our university, like artichoke and yams. And the yam is just, it resembles with like our sweet potato. आपकी जो शकरकंदी है उसके साथ भी इसके resemblance है. So these are helpful, are a good source of the fiber, or they can helpful in maintaining the eye vision. Like I'm talking about the yams. So these reasons to be kept into the mind for a grower. So like the farmer, just he cannot emphasize the production of these vegetables just for having the fresh vegetables, but like when we talk about their medicinal uses, then they can convert these vegetables for the medicinal uses, to make different types of the drugs or their compounds. Those are being isolated or extracted, and they have the best utility in the healthcare products. Then similarly, it is also advisable to eat a rainbow. So here you can see rainbow means the rainbow having the different colors, having like 7 colors. So it's about the different colored vegetables. So it's not simply the color is because of the different types of the nutrients, and those nutrients, they have the direct relationship with the nutritional profile of the human body, as well as they are helpful to overcome the different types of the diseases. So here in this slide, like you can see the red color vegetables like your tomato are the like your watermelon. So these are helpful to improve the heart and the blood health, as well as they also helpful in supporting the joints. Similarly, the orange vegetables like your pumpkins, similarly, even though it is being included different fruits like the citrus, but as this course is particularly about the vegetables, so you can find out those vegetables. So orange color vegetables, they are helpful in preventing the cancer, and they can helpful in the collagen growth as well, as which is the collagen is directly related with the skin diseases as well. As similarly, the yellow type vegetables like your bell pepper, capsicum, these are helpful for the heart and digestion. And similarly, you can see at this slide the green color like the peas, the blue and the purple like the onion, then the brinjal. Similarly, the white like cauliflower, mushrooms, and the white carrot as well. As so these all are, you can see that are can result the improved, we can say, the antioxidants. And among the antioxidants, that is basically concerned to give the energy to provide the resistance against the different types of the stresses to the human, or to the as such to the vegetables as well. As similarly, these are if we summarize, this is just an example of the cauliflower, that how every vegetable is full of nutrition, having different types of the compounds which are directly involved to overcome the different types of the diseases. So this is very beneficial to have your own vegetables, or to take vegetable profession as an industry. So in that way, you can directly cut down the expenses of buying the vegetables from the market. And of course, we see that many more farmers or the growers, they are just using the different, we can say, the sewage water, or the indiscriminate use of the fertilizers in the rest of the other. And of course, those are again having the different types of the heavy metals. So anyhow, that's another story. But on the other hand, the vegetable production, it's always considered as a profitable industry, profitable profession as well. As so like this slide, like you can see over here, you can see many more benefits are the medicinal uses, like consuming cauliflower, it can prevent the cancer, facilitate digestion, improve bone health, and similarly you can find many more different benefits as well. As class, if you have any question, you can ask in the during the lecture as well. As but don't try to disturb the class as well as to me. Anyhow, we have a very limited number of the students in this lecture, and definitely I will always give you hardly 5 to 7 minutes to join the class, and then otherwise the absence may be marked.
मैम समटाइम कुछ ऐसे हो जाता है कि
Yeah.
कुछ लोगों ने क्लास ज्वाइन कर ली होती है टाइम से, लेकिन नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की वजह से वो ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं.
No, but this is you people issue. I can't help you in this regard. Okay, so you can use your cell phone, you can use your mobile data as well. As and I think there is no problem when you are using your own mobile data. And even though the same thing we teachers, we also face, that there is always distortion in the office, and some the students, the staff is coming and going out. But anyhow, uh, we can go through for all these things, inshallah. very soon. So coming towards
Thank you.
the classification, these vegetables, like this is also very important that on what basis the vegetables those can be grown according to the demand. This is not only the classification of the vegetables, but it depends that the farmer or a grower how what kind of the demand it is in the market. So the vegetables like among if we talk about the root vegetables, then your carrots, onions, potato, even the tuber crops, those are in the same vegetable. Then among the green fruit vegetables and pulses like the beans, so in that way the farmers they can go towards that what kind of the vegetable that is more having more utility in the market, or how they can produce these vegetables at the larger scale. So this table basically shows about the average composition, that how the medicines they are considered as the good source of the nutritional profile, like protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals in the water. So here you can see that the different category of these vegetables like the roots, how much protein they contain, and similarly the green vegetables, fruit and the pulses. So this is just for the information, and information means that on the basis of the composition or on the basis of this knowledge, the producer they can go directly to the specific vegetables, that if he or she is interested to have maximum protein compounds, then they can go ultimately towards the root crops, or if he or she is interested to having more like carbohydrates, then in that way it is always easy to select such sort of the vegetables. Similarly, there is another advantage of the vegetables. Like we see that when the farmers they are producing vegetables in the fresh or the raw form, so maximum we see that almost you can find in the different references that 35 to 40% almost commodity that is being spoiled because of many reasons, like having lesser facility of the cold storage. There may be the transportation issue, there may be the time, or sometimes because of the technical reasons, like if the harvesting is being delayed. Anyhow, there is another option, and this also gives another option to the industrialist or to the farmer, that they can go for the preservation, or they can give value addition to the vegetables, and in that way he or she can fetch more profit as well as. So like the vegetables those can be frozen, those can be dried and canned. And here in these three categories you can see that among the frozen, peas, broccoli, beans, like among the dried tomato, then similarly different types of the soya beans, and in the canned like beans and the peas. So in that way these are being converted into to fetch the more we can say the profit as well as. Of course, this preservation having some sort of advantages as the and the disadvantages also, but on the other side if you see that advantages are maximum, like nutritionally they have the good profile, they are relatively cheaper, and of course they can be easily available to in the market as well as. And similarly such frozen items those can also be taken as an alternate, particularly during the issues of like if there is some sort of uh, if there is some sort of we can say the flood or any unforeseen situation. Yes, Hassan bin,
Ma'am, I have a question.
yeah.
Uh, I have a question that tomatoes can also be frozen for the preservation process.
Yes, definitely, those can be frozen. Just I have quoted very few examples, okay, but it depends that how
All
you
right.
can go for, and this is very common. Thank you for adding your contribution as well as. And normally, the girls are also who are interested in cooking as well as. So normally, the women are the household people. They freeze these tomatoes in the upper part of the freezer, and in that way it can be frozen for a longer time. You can even freeze, this is not the relevant example which I'm going to give you, like about the mangoes. So few years back the mangoes were not being frozen, but now you can also freeze the mangoes as well as. So you can go for different but of course the recipe, the methods those are little different, at what temperature those can be freezed, and are sometimes you have to add some sort of the edible preservatives as well as. Okay, then if we little summarize the health benefits of these vegetables as well as the fruits. So you can see over here these vegetables are the consuming vegetables. It protects the health, maintain the body nutrients as well as risk of different diseases like the diabetes and the cardiovascular diseases as well as. Similarly, you can see over here that it can give the energy, it can prevent cancer, and similarly. So in shorter, coming towards the importance of these vegetables, that all these vegetables, they have nutritional benefit. They have then similarly the medicinal uses, and all year the round the farmer, they can produce their vegetables. And of course, if you see that maybe you people have visited market, and you can see the prices of the vegetables. Just I can quote one example of like onion. Nowadays it has the price of 80 rupees per kg. Maybe 80 rupees per kg, you people feel that it's not much more. But of course, when we see that if the number of the family members are 5 6 or even the more than, then this is really very difficult at how much the cost of these vegetables. But on the other, even though it puts the pressure on the community, on the consumer, but when we talk about as a business, as a farmer point of view, then you see that how much profit they are getting by having these vegetables. And of course, these vegetables, they have the good and the best utility in the different industries. And you see that different vegetables we will go through inshallah in the next coming classes as well as. Among the vegetables, uh, you can distillate the different oils, and these oils are available in the market. Like, I don't know, either you people have heard or seen the carrot oil. आपकी गाजर जो है उसके अंदर से भी तेल निकलता है. And one of my MSc student, she has completed I think 4 years back, and her work was on the extraction of the essential oil from the carrot. So the thing is this, what I want to say, that such kind of the isolation of the different compounds, either in the form of the oils, essential oils, are the different compounds, they have the best utility in making different types of the medicines, different types of the drugs as well as, and different types of the oils. And they also have the best utility in the perfume industry. Like when we see that many of the spicy, you can see the vegetables are the condiments like fennel, सौंफ है आपकी, even though this is also considered as the spice. So they also have the best utility in making the perfumes. So this means that by growing the vegetables, you can have the multiple utility disciplines, and you can enter into a good entrepreneurship. So students, just you people have to wait 1 minute, because at the Zoom after 40 minutes, then it will stop working. So don't go anywhere. Just I'm going to reconnect, and then I will admit you people again. Okay.
All right,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So just you people have to wait 1 minute, and then after this, we will start from the status of these vegetables in Pakistan. That how many vegetables we are producing in our country, and the production status as well as in the area. And similarly, we will also talk about the different gaps which are being in the vegetable production, and how those gaps those can be overcome.